How to calibrate your touch screen on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to calibrate your touch screen on Android. So previously the mobile devices used to come with the settings to calibrate your touch screen, so where you can make changes to your touch gestures on your mobile device. So let me just show you an example by what I mean. So when I search in for settings like calibrating or touch screen calibrating, it doesn't show anymore in our settings. So for that reason we will have to download a particular app for our devices, that is touch screen calibration. So head over to your Play Store and just search in for this application and make sure you install it from over here. So once you install it, just open the application once you successfully download it and it will show you such interface. So just click on this Calibrate to start and now follow the on-screen instruction just like this. So it will ask you about other options and check your accuracy, so just do as it says. So as you can see, it's continuing me with the different options of touches. So you can just follow the on-screen instructions just like this. So for zoom as well, I will do this accordingly. So once you successfully perform your touch screen calibration, just click on OK, and as you can see, you have to restart your device for this calibration to successfully take place. So once you successfully restart your device, that is exactly how you can calibrate your touch screen on Android. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.